Jason's up on the log, pretty much right above where the gator was at. Heard this loud explosion and had the camera going. I'm not walking out there. Grace and balance is not my middle name. You Rambo-ing it? Behind them, I saw about 3 jump in. Here comes another one. Here comes another. Go. You're not gonna do it?
Yes, he is.
There's a ubiquity to the woods, and it can overwhelm you. So please keep that in mind. Be safe. Get back home. Who cares about Bigfoot? Get home. There are places like that, like this, that almost have a feeling of foreboding. Starting to rain again. Cat fur just behind us, and now this tree has all these scratches.
What he's doing, he's getting up and probably hanging out there watching everybody over there at that campsite, seeing the horses and the fire and everything going on.
And it's pretty cool. You people at home, when you pull up the video on the YouTube, you can be able to turn it around 180 degrees, 360 degrees, up, down, inside. We might get far enough in here, we'll hear the bottom of it. You hear the bottom of it? You can hear it from the bottom of it. It was all skeletons and stuff. That would be interesting. Something's been feeding. This is a total lights out operation.
I don't know if you can see it from there, but there's barbed wire.
Yeah, there's barbed wire.
Where the trail camera is back and up off to the left. Our trail camera is baited so far back up in there, it'd take us another 40 minutes to get back.
I know where you guys went.
Yeah.